Because our year got cut short, we didn't get a chance to get into 6/8 time or 9/8 time or 12/8 time. So I wanted to explain some of that right now. So first of all, you should have a rhythm sheet. It's probably in the description of this video. If you click on this YouTube description, it probably has a link to a drive where you can get the PDF. So make sure you're looking at that and have a pencil ready so you can write in counts and rhythms or anything that might help you. Okay, I've also labeled line 1 through 7 so you know where I'm referencing, and I think the measure numbers are written in as well. I'm going to go measure by measure and explain 6/8. You're used to a 4/4 time signature where quarter notes are numbers and eighth notes are 1 and 2 and. So let's review time signatures. So we're used to 4/4. We know the top number means how many. That's not enough, okay? My analogy that I use in class is, what if I said to the class, I'm going to give you 4? The next question would be, 4 what? 4 slaps in the face or 4 slices of pizza? So the what is very important. So the what is this bottom number. The 4 here is a code. The bottom number is a code. Think about it like this. Our rhythmical tree was whole notes, half notes, quarter notes. I'm going to stop there because it kind of gets easy after that. Well, how many quarters do you see in that family tree? You see 4. How many half notes do you see in that family tree? You see 2. How many whole notes do you see in that family tree? You see 1. So there's your code right there. So if you see a 4 on the bottom, it means quarter notes. Okay? If you were to see a 2 on the bottom, that would mean half notes get the beat. And if you see a 1 on the bottom, that means a whole note gets the beat. Okay? So if you saw this, this would mean 4 half notes. This would mean 4 whole notes. Okay? So if you saw, let's say 6/8, that means there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does an 8 mean? Well, we didn't get to that because it kind of describes itself. 8 means eighth note. So an eighth note has 1 flag. So now what are you noticing? Eighth notes get the number now, not the quarter note. So if I rewrote this with our flags connected, that's still 6 eighth notes, correct? But we're not going to count it 1 and 2 and 3 and like you're used to. We have to count the eighth notes as a number, so that's still going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 eighth notes in the measure. So the eighth notes get the number now. Okay? So if we look at eighth notes in the family tree, here's an eighth note. We know this eighth note split into 2 16th notes. So this, if this is beat 1, and this next eighth note is beat 2, and each one of those gets 2 16th notes, this would be 1 and 2 and. So now 16th notes are going to be given 1 and 2 and. You're not used to that. Okay? Likewise, before we had a half note in 4/4 was 1-2 because it was worth 2 beats. Well, now a quarter note is worth 2 eighth notes. A quarter note still has 2 eighth notes in it, but now the eighth notes get the beat. So now it's going to be 1, 2 for the eighth notes. So that means a quarter note is worth 1, 2. So that means that a quarter note is similar to a half note from what you're used to. So armed with that knowledge, let's go into our rhythm sheet. So I'm going to do these rhythm sheets at about 60, a little bit slower so you can break it down. So if we look at line 1, the first measure, I have the metronome on 60 and I put the triplet on because it's a dotted quarter note beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So what you're hearing is eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first stick I have is just all rights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could also alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super easy. Now we have measure 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Remember 6 notes are 1 and now, not 1 and a. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. I have it alternating right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Right, left, 4 and 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay, using that knowledge, using the stickings I've given you, measure 3 is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Measure 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and measure 5. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Okay, I'm going on to line 2. Line 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Okay, obviously measure 7 is just straight 16th notes, so that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Okay, 1, 2, all right lead, and go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, again, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1. Okay, measure 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 1. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Measure 9. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, 1. Okay, line 3. Now we're going to go into more of the space of 6, 8. So instead of just numbers, 1, 2, 3, and then ands, 1 and 2 and 3 and, now we're going to start to have to internalize the space of rhythms. So this is more of expansive rhythms and rests. So we have a quarter note to start. Remember I said a quarter note is now like a half note. It's going to be 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Now, on measure 11, we have 1, 2, 4, 5. So these quarter notes are like a half note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's do the right, left stickings first. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 1. Now do the left stickings. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 1. Okay, measure 12 is a bunch of quarter notes, so we have to think every other beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, try it, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Now, measure 13 is all 8th note based. 8th note and 8th rest. So we have 1 rest, rest, 4 rest, rest. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 8th notes get the beat. 1 rest, rest, 4 rest, rest, 1. Okay? Same thing happens in measure 14, but then we finish with 5, 6. And that's going to be left, right in this instance. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sticking's a little funky, but trust me. Measure 15 is the same as measure 12, but it has an 8th rest in the middle. So if we're playing timpani, we might mute on those rests. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, rest, 3, rest, 5, rest, 1. Let's try with mutes just for fun. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, so now we're on line 4. We have dotted quarters. Quarter note breaks down into an 8th note. So dotted note, we're thinking 3 8th notes. So at this tempo, those are 8th notes, so that's how we're going to say it. Dotted note, dotted note, dotted note, dotted note. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Dotted note, stop. Now 17, you could go dotted note, 1, because a half note breaks into quarter notes, and quarter notes are like 1, 2, right? But I would just think it's a measure of 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay? So measure 17. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay? It's just a full measure of 6. All right. So measure 18. We have a dotted 8th note. So we know it's a dotted note. It's going to be worth 3 of something. Now an 8th note breaks down into 16th notes. So at this tempo, 16 notes are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and, right? So dotted note. That's how fast we're going to say dotted note. Dotted note. Dotted note. So we have dotted note and then we play on the next beat. Dotted note and 3, dotted note and 3. Let's just try that. Dotted note and 3, dotted note and 3. Try the other sticking with right, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Dotted note, right, left. Now, the next beat, you do it again. So you have dotted note and 3, dotted note and 6. Okay? So let's try the right, left, right sticking first. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Dotted note and 3, dotted note and 6, 1. Now try with the right, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Dotted note and 3, dotted note and 6, 1. Okay, measure 14 is dotted note and. You're going to go dotted note and 3, but you also have an and after. Dotted note and 3 and. So you're going to do dotted note and 3 and dotted note and 6 and. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Dotted note and 3 and dotted note and 6 and 1. Okay, line 5. Now we have a triplet. So when we have a triplet on 16th notes, that means we're trying to fit in one more 16th note where usually we only have 2. So now we have 3, so we have to be a little faster to squeeze it in there. So at this tempo, here is 8th notes. Now usually fitting 2 in there would be 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. Now we want to go triple the 2, 3. Triple the 2, 3. Triple the 2, 3. So maybe just try getting to be 2. Triple the 2. Triple the 2. Triple the 2, 3. Triple the 2, 3. Now do both. Triple the 2, 3. Triple the 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Triple the 2, 3. Triple the 5, 6. Okay, going with that same idea, now we have measure 21. 1, triple the 3, 4, triple the 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, triple the 3, 4, triple the 6. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, same idea in 22. 1, 2, triple the 5, 6, triple the 1. Okay, now 1 would usually occur on the left hand, so don't let the line 6 mess you up. That's just a new rhythm. So go ahead and finish with a left hand on. Actually, just finish with the triplet on 6. Triplet. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, triple the 4, 5, triplet. Line 6. Triple the 2, triple the 4. Now on that 4 we have a dotted note. So triple the 2, triple the dotted note. So 1, 2, ready, go. Triple the 2, triple the dotted note. 1. Okay, measure 24. Triple the 3, dotted note. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Triple the 3, dotted note. 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Triple the 3, dotted note. 1. And the last one here in 25 is triple the dotted note. Now I would think right, left, right, dot. In my head, I'm thinking that even though I'm not accenting them. Triple the dotted note. Triple the dotted note. Right, left, right, left. Okay, but I'm going to play straight up. Triple the dotted note. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Triple the dotted note. Triple the dotted note. Triple the dotted note. 1. Okay, last line. Triple the 2 and 3 and. So this is the first time we're doing a triplet straight into 60 notes. So we have this triple the 2 and 3 and. So you have triple the, and you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And both are relaxed and legato, but you have to learn how to change on a dime, okay? So maybe try taking the triplet out and go right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Then triple the left, right, left, right, left. Triple the left, right, left, right, left. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Triple the left, right, dotted. Now again, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Triple the 2 and 3 and 4. Measure 27. 2 and triple the 3 and 4. 2 and triple the 3 and 4. So again, let's take out the triplet and just put an 8th note there. And try that. So it's going to be 1 and 2, 3 and dotted note. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Right, left, right, dotted note. Right, left, right, dotted note. Right, left, right, dot. Now put in the triplet note. Put in the triplet dotted note. 1 and triple the 3 and dotted note. 1 and triple the 3 and dotted note. Make sure when you have these triplets that are in between 16th notes that you keep them nice and round. Don't squeeze them. Da da triplet da da da. Da da triplet da da da. That's not a triplet. That's a 2 30-second notes in a 16th note. We want to make sure it's nice and open. Da 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 da. da da triple da 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 da. So you can think duple, triple the duple stop. 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 Okay, you got to be very careful. All right, measure 28. We have our dotted rhythm that we had similar to measure 18. Dotted and 3, but now we have a triplet. Dotted and triple dotted note. Dotted note and triple dotted note. Dotted note and triple dotted note. 1, 2, 3, 1, break. Dotted note and triple dotted note. Dotted note and triple dotted note. Dotted note and triple dotted note. Dotted note and triple dotted. Dotted note and triple dotted note. 1. All right, last rhythm. We have 1 rest, triple the stop. 1 rest, triple the stop. On a timpani, you might be muting on these rests. 1 rest, triple the dotted note. 1 rest, triple the dotted note. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1 rest, triple the dotted note. 1 rest, triple the dotted note.